whatever, kung ano magiging usapan sa loob, I cannot disclose. So, and there are talks about yung nangyari daw kay PRRD na he collapsed and everything. I cannot comment on that until on Monday. I will be visiting him. So, diyan ko malalaman. I will make my assessment and see if this really is fine.
Sir, kailan po kayo dumating dito, sir?
Kailan ba tayo dun? Okay.
Kapon.
I was supposed to be itong Friday.
Itong Friday, yung first visit mo.
Yung visit ko, but there was a miscommunication on
Okay.
so
Wag na. Wag na.
so anyway, Monday is my visiting
Okay.
privilege, so I will inform whatever, but as I said, hindi ko ma-disclose lahat whatever transpired, magiging usapan sa loob. So anyway, kaya kwan lang, medyo na-delay kami sa biyahe dito. I would like to again, in behalf of the siblings and myself, salamat po sa inyong undying support kay PRRD. Salamat po.
Sir Bong, how are you coping with the weather today? How are you coping with the Dutch weather right now? Nalalamig. Sobrang malamig ba, sir?
That's why I brought my winter coat. Nakita ko na eh.
Sir, welcome back po dito sa The Hague, and ano po, if meron po tayong mga pagkain pa po, sir, if you want, okay pa sa inyo kumain. Okay.
We ate along the way. So
Okay. Sir, thank you po. Thank you po, sir, for coming here and for greeting the Filipino community. Kasi meron kasi kaming event kasi today is the 200th day of PRRD inside the ICT detention facility, sorry. Nagkaroon po kami ng prayer rally doon sa ICC, and after that we had a walk all the way here.
I'm sorry to miss that.
No problem, sir. It's okay.
Medyo na-delay talaga sa biyahe lang.
No problem, sir. Thank you, sir. Welcome back to the Netherlands. Meron po kayong question, mga kababayan? Sa Monday na lang, sir. Balik kami,
Monday
sir.
na lang,
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Thank you again sa kuwanin niyo, sa support.
Thank you, sir.